back. It's the second day. I came bearing gifts, okay? Came across this the other day during my grocery hunting. Please try one. Okay, look. It's Chips Ahoy X Maynard Sour Patch Kids. Who would have thunk? Like, this drew me, first of all, the collaboration idea, to spend $3 on this. But I'll let these guys figure out if it was worth it or not.
I saw your IG story.
Yummy. Cheers.
To the garage peoples.
If it was $1.50, sure.
I don't know, like
I thought it was disgusting.
like,
It's gross, man.
It's edible, but like I'm done at one. I'm done.
Yeah.
Like, I wouldn't try it again.
The aftertaste is just weird, man. Like, it was a good idea and looks cool, but no, just it doesn't work. Yo, the tiramisu Oreos though, oh, those were amazing. All right, guys, Jesse's gonna be coming back today to help me finish up the splitter. I actually took his Canard prototype idea and added my own flair to it, pun intended. So this is what he had in mind. And I mean, like, I like the design, it's just a little too curvy for my taste. So this is what it looks like. I mean, it still looks pretty badass. But what I did was I basically, well, first of all, I finessed this area so that it would actually attach to the splitter. That means Jesse's gonna have to recut this part. And I also kind of squared it off right here, took away the curves, and extended the flare wing part to match more with the body kit. Because remember, I'm running the rally backer, which is not even the same kit that this front bumper is supposed to go with. And if you don't already know, the front aprons for the rally backer, we've actually forced to fit the curvatures of this front bumper.
I'm writing a story that you couldn't fathom. Yeah. I'm giving a vision that you can't imagine. Yeah, do I wanna live is the question that I have been asking. All of the pain that I put in my lyrics, I wonder can anybody really grasp me, Lord? Yeah. You wondering what is my thesis? Yeah. You wondering what is my thesis? Yeah. You wondering what is my thesis?
Oh. Hey! Hi, brother! Hello, doggy! Hey! What doing? I'm here. I'll be back, boy. Alright, so this is my idea. Kind of just extended Jesse's prototype. And I'm not sure how possible this is going to be, but these can act as tabs that you can actually fold over, and then mounting should be easy. Because I mean, usually I just use L brackets. Man, I'm still so impressed at how Jesse made these vents. All right, let's quickly mock this up, and I think Jesse's gonna arrive any moment now, so we can get started on the rest of this project. What's the matter, doggy? What's that? Hello, Shumai. You need something to bite. Hey, look at this. Ow! Such a distraction, yes you are. And also today I'm gonna get Larry to help me unwrap the rest of the car. So today, the FRS is gonna be fully black. Guaranteed. Let's get today started. Oh! He ready? Woo! Holy crap, man! Come on, dude. Jeez Louise. Crudely mocked it up on our fake carbon. Kind of hard to see the lines, and it's all in the shaping of it and the forming. So that's where I need Jesse's expertise. He actually knows how to work his way around using the blowtorch on this, and it makes like bending these pieces so much easier. Whereas beforehand I'd be using the heat gun, and then you have to wait. And then you have to wait for it to heat up the area for like a good 10 minutes just to be able to bend it. So blowtorch, except that's like next level, so I don't trust myself yet. Just leave it to the pros. Alright, I kind kind of re-outlined it with some silver pen so we can see it a little more. Like a crazy funky shape. Well, actually, look at Jesse's first one. That's super funky. Like we actually, oh, maybe I should have copied this actually. Because this fits perfectly with this. Got Angus helping me take off some of the green. Might as well just get started, you know?
I ask you about love, but they quote me a song. You've never looked at a woman and been totally wrong. Oh my God, what an angel on earth just for you.
Hidden stickers underneath the wrap.
Yeah, showing up.
Keys. Woo! Probably gonna end up taking all of the stickers off, so we can start with this side. Mr. Infamous Mind has arrived. Thanks, Jess. So since the idea is to make this thing look as Batmobile-ish as possible by the end of this video, I've decided we're gonna rock the TRD. Well, these ones are fake. These are just carbon fiber side vents that go on top of the OEM side vents. Now the reason why I can't run these is because I have the Lambo doors. I can put them on, so they'll look like that, but it's just a matter of opening the doors Lambo style. So if you start going up, slowly, this is where it hits, right here in this corner. So yeah, just keep going, and eventually it's just gonna lift up. That's why we got this prototype, and we've already done some cutting and measuring. And swing all the way, and then up. Yep. Boom. This is the only way we're gonna make it work. Try this again. We made minor adjustments. Okay, so here's the prototype, right? You don't want to cut too much off and still make it look stylish and tasteful. So, okay, we'll put the door down all the way. Give you guys a small idea. Now come up. So if you come on this side, right there, this is the area that we needed to compensate for, so keep going up. Very awesome, dude. And it's not interfering anymore. We're okay. Damn, you did good.
Yeah, lots of running back and forth to...
I turn around and then I see this. I guess. Can't complain.
Bitch, start tripping, now I'm blue. Mega man, I can't wait for losing cause I got too many haters, man. Used to be the paper boy, grew up now I'm mega man. Player 1, player 2, show your ass what players do.
Progress shot. Damn. So aggressive. Alright, Jesse's got the canards and the splitter all mounted up. This is looking pretty insane. So Batmobile-ish, man.
Yeah, I can
Dude.
stand the splitter a little bit, but...
Yeah, definitely. Appreciate it, man. This is looking so badass. What, one of a kind.
Yeah, seriously.
Damn.
Into that bottom just to keep it
Yeah,
straight,
exactly.
right? It's not like structural.
That's what I had in mind, so... But I was gonna ask what you suggested, but...
Yeah, just use like sort of brand new volume matches.
Okay, like fairly long.
Yeah, you could even use shorter ones or something.
Okay.
Just something like that, and then when you take the bumper off, you just gotta unthread.
Exactly. Yeah. I'll take them, dude. Perfect. I'll figure out the mounting points. Ah, probably on this thing, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Just a strong man over there.
We got some splitter rods here. I'm just gonna jack these, thank you very much. Much appreciated, my man.
Of course.
Good day's work. Thank you so much, guys. It was naked for like 2 seasons, okay? I actually came up to Jesse, I think it was like 2 shows ago, and we were kind of assessing the front bumper, and we're like, yeah, we'll work something around this thing, and yeah.
8 grand opening, actually.
That was it, yeah, exactly, man. With all this downtime, I think now is just like the perfect opportunity to go and crush it with your dreams and goals. Again, Jesse, Infamous Mind. If you guys want to check out his builds and what he's up to, all his projects, feel free to follow him on his social media stuff. I'll be posting that right here. Guys, it's coming together again. Never forgot about this thing. It was just kind of put on the back burner, that's all. Final touches.
Yeah, it's up to you if you want this, but I just think it looks pretty cool. I don't have any of the actual like plates, but I'll be getting those pretty soon.
Yeah, your square ones?
Yeah,
I think that'd be a little more fitting, yeah.
Metal, yeah, right? I was thinking this kind of looks off in the
You
middle
can put
there.
those ones over the lights. Each one.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think so, Larry. Oh, cool.
Yeah, I'll get like an actual metal badge.
Yeah, no,
being
what?
made.
This works, man.
Like that.
That looks good. Why can't you put that on?
What's a sticker, man? I'm getting like a proper
fine,
metal
yeah.
one.
Okay,
We can do
for that.
temporary though.
And then that, yeah, okay, sure. For the vids.
Yeah.
We good, bro? Sweet. Looks good. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end this video. Just kind of wanted to put in a little more work on the FRS, even though it's gonna be sitting here for a good while. Actually, the landlord and this whole entire place has decided to do some renovating in the back here. So, they've actually dug out this entire alleyway. So we have no access, but yeah, they're gonna be repaving this and it's gonna be completely smooth. That means we gotta put off our projects for like a week. So that's okay. That's why we're putting in some work on this guy. Yeah, that's it, man. Okay, big shout outs to Infamous and Jesse. He crushed this in 2 days and kind of collaborated on this idea, but it was mostly him that figured out how to make it fit with this front bumper, the aim gain front bumper. So other than that though, if you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit the sub button with the notification button ticked, drop some likes and leave some good vibes in the comments. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.